Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Kia Forte. Stock number is A8233. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Inside you have cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Kia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.